Nothing excites me more than when I have the opportunity to recreate a recipe that has been in someone's family for ages. You know, the kind of recipe that brings back all sorts of memories when you taste it. Well, today, I want to thank Jody, who's part of our team, for sharing her grandmother Irma's recipe with us. It's an old world red cabbage that goes with almost everything. The first thing we do is dig out our slow cooker. Into that, we add a head of red cabbage that we've shredded, along with a couple of Granny Smith apples that we've peeled and sliced. On top of this goes some pats of butter, a splash of apple cider vinegar, a bay leaf, some brown sugar, and a bit of salt and pepper, along with some ground cloves. Now we cover it and set it on low so it can do its own thing. Once it's done, don't forget to remove the bay leaf. Come dinner time, it's ready to serve. This goes with everything from braised beef to roast chicken. And yup, you can serve it steaming hot or chilled if you prefer. To get the recipe for Grandma Irma's red cabbage, simply visit our website. You'll be glad you did. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we recreated Grandma Irma's classic way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.